Guys, we're gonna use electric beerot and corn. First, we're placing electric beerot. He is very cheap. Can be used as a starter unit. He is also AoE because he has a slash attack. Really cool, right? Full upgraded. Now let's save up for corn. He looks like a minigun. Very expensive. But he is powerful. Maybe you can use for endless. As you see, electric beerot is carrying. I'll be also doing giveaways in this tower defense game. Just have to make sure you can trade. I don't know what to put here. Oh, dang, corn is a minigun. Hopefully he has enough corn. Or we dead. Finally upgrade. In fact, corn is 3,000 to spawn. Really expensive. Snails, no match for us. We're better. 3,000 more to upgrade again. Come on, snail, give me money. Thank you, snail. 9,000, oh gosh. King Snail. I bet he has a lot of money. Yup, he had lots of money. Wait, what? 25,000. That's so expensive. I don't think I'm gonna afford that by the end. Let's just use electric beerot. Very cheap. And a speed serpinkler. Another king. He dead for real. We're way too powerful. Unfortunately, max limit for electric beerot is 5. Welp, we win. 2 up. That's it, guys. See y'all next video.